Last week was quite uneventful in terms of moves on the major currency pairs. This was ultimately down to the sparse data schedule and lack of potent news flow. The main release came from the US, with their latest PCE inflation figures, which printed in line with expectations, seeing the core figure ease to 2.4% in January. In the Eurozone, the flash HICP inflation figure showed a decline to 2.6% in February. However, as this was still within the market's expectations, it had little impact on euro pairs. In terms of noteworthy market moves, pound sterling to euro traded flat, within close proximity to 1.17 throughout last week. Pound sterling to US dollar saw a slightly wider range, with the pair fluttering within the 1.26 range all week. The pair is up by 0.5% since Wednesday last week. Meanwhile, euro to US dollar traded over the 1.08 level for almost the entire week, and is showing a slight increase from the lowest level. Looking ahead, the calendar is much busier this week. The main highlight will be the European Central Bank's latest policy update, on Thursday. We expect rates to be held, but the press conference and any updated forecasting will draw attention and potentially provide some volatility on euro pairs. In the UK, the announcement of the spring budget is due on Wednesday, with potential tax and national insurance adjustments, as well as the topic of 99% mortgages targeted at first-time buyers, to be discussed. In the US, Federal Reserve Chair Powell will provide testimony to Congress, followed by the US labor market report for February, on Friday this week, with the non-farms figure expected to see 200,000 new jobs added versus the 353,000 in January.